Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing the 2021 planner by the brand called Ink Bucket. So without further ado, let's get started. So it is the time of the year which I love the most, besides my birthday obviously, as I love winters, and while the new year is here and I love to make new plans and resolutions for the new year, but the problem is I forget them pretty quickly. So this year I decided to invest on a planner which will help me to get through the year while not forgetting anything. And I am really glad that 2020 is finally over, because this is not the 2020 we have planned for ourselves. And getting my hands on the new planner kind of gave me the optimism of the new beginning back, which ended up last year in 2020. So this is the new beginning, and I bought this planner, and this is an Indian brand owned by Vidhi with the name of the Ink Bucket. I purchased it on December 10th, and the bundle consisted of the planner with a magnetic case and with an option of wall calendar and desk calendar. And I chose the desk calendar as I don't have a huge space to hang it, so a desk calendar is perfect for me. At first I was planning to buy the Alicia Souza planner, but when I saw this gorgeous planner, so I just fell in love with it. So ultimately I bought this one, and yeah, so let's get started and unbox. The planner was delivered in a plain packaging, and it was delivered after 5 days of ordering it. So when you open it, you will see that it is wrapped with a cardboard kind of wrapper, so no plastic bubbles, so it's a good thing. So this is the packaging looks like. Let's take it out. So when you open it, you will see a reusable bag with a drawstring, and the drawstring has beads on it, so you can use it in whatever way you want to later on. And I think this is made of recycled paper or something. I don't know, I'm not pretty sure. So let's see what's inside. So the first thing is this desk calendar, and trust me, this desk calendar is not a small calendar, it's a pretty big one. So this is the reusable bag. It's quite nice because you can use it while traveling. You can carry your shoes or whatever you want to, you can pack it in your bag. So that's the bill, and this is a note from Vidhi, and it's a cute little note, like she's saying thank you for the order. And yeah, this is it, and it's cute. And the next thing is this notebook. This is a soft cover notebook, and the size is A5. So at first I thought that I will get 2 notebooks, because I would have ordered in the month of September, like the pre-orders, so I could have got 2 notebooks, but instead I got one because I didn't pre-order it. I ordered it pretty later in December, and it was the pre-orders were taken in the month of September. So this is the desk calendar, and the cover is like a pretty pastel green color. So the color is not like into your face, so it's pretty nice. And on the other side we can see that it consists of all the designs that the calendar has. So it's like a catalog, so it's look pretty good. And you can buy this calendar alone, and the cost will be around $6.99. Okay, it's $6.99. So let's open it. You can purchase it from their website, the Ink Bucket or Happy Wagon, I think. So look at this gorgeous calendar. So all the illustrations are hand painted, like Vidhi hand painted it and then printed on the paper and everything. So look, the sparkling detail on it. So you can actually, it's like a 3D, it's giving a 3D effect. You can touch it, you can feel it. I always prefer desk calendar instead of hanging calendars, because I think it's like pretty hard to look from far away into the hanging calendar. So I put my desk calendar near my head on the shelf on my bed. So it's helped me to like track everything if I want to, or write anything if I want to, like some dates or anything. So I always prefer it. So this is the January page, or like calendar, whatever you say. This looks so gorgeous and so vibrant. So there were like two types of hanging calendar. One was just normal calendar, and another one was appointment calendar. So the appointment calendar almost looks same like this desk calendar. It also had the boxes as same as the desk calendar. And so I bought the desk calendar, and it serves the purpose. Basically it's a calendar and it's also an appointment calendar, so I have both. All the pages of the calendar are so pretty. The illustrations are so gorgeous and vibrant, and the color combinations are just aesthetically pleasing. So there are dates mentioned, like the holidays are mentioned, and you can write whatever you want to in the boxes. If you want to note down something, you can. So the next is this freebie. I got this freebie, it's the sticker book. And the individual cost of this sticker book is $4.99. You can buy it from their website individually. And this sticker book has some pretty cute like animal stickers in it. So these are the stickers on the first page. The cats, the dogs, I love cats, and the little paws. On the next page we have the stickers that are related to cooking and food. And as I cook a lot, these will be really helpful in my planner when I like note down some recipes or anything. So this is the French fries, like eggs, aprons, coffee. Yes, definitely need coffee. And this page consists of like daily cleaning and like related to household chores, which we can use every day. And this page have some really beautiful stickers. These are like when you are doing some self rituals, these will be great for that. And on the next page we have some clothes. So these are just I don't know where to use this, like buying new clothes, then I can use these. And this is the fruit page, and these are some decorative flowers which you can use anywhere. So this page can be used during the winter seasons. This is great for the winter season, like for Christmas or New Year. So this is like here. And the next page we have traveling. So in 2020 we all planned a lot but nothing happened, but hopefully 2021 will be good. And the last two pages consist of these stickers, and these are the functional ones, like priority and busy, appointment, etc. So I hoped that they had like added more pages for these kind of functional stickers, but nevertheless it's good. And let's come to the planner now. So this is the planner, and every planner consisted of a box, like comes in a box, and the pattern of the box of all the planners are same as this, and the individual cost is 1899. So if you buy the planner alone, the cost will be around 1900. You can buy it from Amazon, Happy Wagon, or their website, the Ink Bucket. And the box is too pretty. The patterns are really great. The painting is beautiful. The colors are so vibrant. And it opens up like this. So it is a magnetic box. You can open it and it will close automatically. I just love the contrast of the colors. So I chose this one, this planner. There were 3 planners, one black, based on black, another was like pale pink color, and this one is like this. And on this side they have a quote and a motif. And I chose this one because most of the people like bought and chose the pale pink color. And this box is pretty sturdy. You can use it to keep your knickknacks or like small books or pens, whatever you want. I really loved the color, that's why I bought that, because the pale pink was like I don't know, too obvious or something like that. I love this one. And isn't it just gorgeous? So when I wake up in the morning and when I look at it, it gives me a positivity just by looking at it, because it's so beautiful to look at. And when we open it, this is the first page, and here we will write our name. The planner belongs to, you can write your name here. And on the next page we have a beautiful quote by Earl Nightingale and hand painted flowers. And here we have the calendar of 2021 and 2022. So it will be helpful to look at the dates if you want to. and this page is like goodbye 2020. So you can write down that any highlights of 2020 that happened in your life. And this is for 2021. You can write anything you want to do in 2021. And this is the vision board. So here you write down your vision, that what do you want to become in 2021, or what are your ideas that you want to execute. And here you can write your thoughts, whatever comes to your mind. So these two pages are great for writing down ideas. And this page is for goals. Like the first goal is work goal, then personal goals, health goals, financial goals, relationship goals, and other goals if you have some other goals. The next page we have top priorities, habits to adopt, habits to cut, new skills to learn, do more of and do less of. Definitely do less of shopping. And here we have like you can write down your goals of every month from January to December. You can write it down here and follow it. And this is the spread of year at a glance. You can write down whatever important you have, anything, any meeting or anything you can write down here. And here is the birthday page, or birthday, anniversary, or whatever dates you want to remember. So this is really helpful for me because I tend to forget a lot of birthdays. So this is helpful. And this is the page for the notes. And then comes our January spread. And January basically starts with a fresh start. And this is the page, you can find it on the sticker book also, the fruits and vegetables. So here is the whole January spread or the dates. Here is the notes section. You can write down if you want to remember something in the boxes. And this is for this month's intentions, agendas, new things that you want to try, the habit tracker of the whole month, to-do list, your top 3 priorities. And here we have the expense tracker, which is really helpful to maintain whatever expenses you have. You can write the bill, the amount, date, and there you can write some notes or draw doodles and important dates. So here starts the weekly planner. So this year starts with the Friday. So here you can write down whatever you want to do or whatever plans you have. But the one thing I didn't like was that the Saturday and Sunday was cramped into this little space, because like Saturday and Sunday are full of activities which we cannot write down within that small space. And this is the weekly reflections section, and this is the week's plan. So you can plan your meals, calls, emails, shopping list. And this is the weekly reflection, where you can write down your weekly expenses, gratitude list, and whatever you have done in your week. And this is the weekly affirmation part, which I love the most, because I tend to procrastinate a lot, and when I don't write anything, I tend to forget that and push that away later. So if I write that down, that helps me and motivates me to do that thing as quickly as possible. So that was a great thing. And this is the weekly planner, and after every week there is this weekly reflection page. So this is the February spread. So every spread has a different type of design to it. and all are really beautiful. This planner was so beautiful that it was really hard to write something on it because it looks aesthetically just so pleasing. And this is a monthly review, like whatever you have done the whole month, you can write it down, you can look back what you have done, and every spread looked so gorgeous. The paintings are just wonderful. The page quality of this planner is also very good, and like it does not leave any stains behind, because I am currently writing with gel pens and it doesn't have any ghosting effect on the next page. This looks so amazing, like creative juice, and everybody have their creativity in their mind. So this is the last spread for the December, and as it shows, it is based on the snow and the winter season. And on the last pages we have some stickers, 3 pages of stickers. So that's pretty cool because I have the sticker book as well as 3 pages of stickers. So these stickers are similar to the stickers in the sticker books. And at last we have the page, and it has a pocket. And the last page you can keep your notes or pens or whatever you want to keep there. And it has a bookmark, though I didn't like the bookmark very much. I will later customize it. And that's the planner. So this is the whole bundle that I got: a soft cover notebook, a planner, a desk calendar, and a sticker book. The whole cost of the bundle was 2699. I wish I would have bought this during the pre-orders, so it would have cost me a way too less, like 1899 instead of 2699. But that's okay, I am happy with the planner, and that's what matters. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and please press that bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys.